Hey guys, hope you've enjoyed the last couple of episodes of Back to Business. Obviously we're all super excited because I'm heading south to Norfolk now to actually go and see John at Emerald, who's actually going to put this thing on the dyno and hopefully extract a few more ponies out of the engine now that we've got the supercharger on there. It's not going to be a straight run tonight. We're actually heading to Dave at VRD Motorsport to actually go and pick up the new 6-point harnesses, the hands device and the hands posts and my helmet, just to meet the BDC regs. So yeah, it's a cracking evening. Gonna chew up some miles. Unfortunately, I don't have my right-hand girl with me tonight. You know, obviously being a bit tight on timelines this week, trying to get the supercharger in, and now I'm heading down for a Friday dyno session. So yeah, fingers crossed for tomorrow, and yeah, be plenty of videos, and hope you enjoy it. There's the man in question. So we're now coming up to Kings Lynn and the Norfolk Arena Drift Team's homeland of the Kings Lynn Arena. If you guys haven't made... So we're in Kings Lynn now, just about to go past the Norfolk Arena, which is the home of the Norfolk Arena Drift Team, unsurprisingly. But if you haven't got yourself across to one of their drift days yet, you really must go. It is epic fun, good, clean, absolutely amazing drift fun, no holes barred. Also run by three of the best people that I know, Minnie, Ammo, and the absolute gentleman of motorsport himself, Malks. Full team will always look after you there. And yeah, I think you'll come away with a bigger smile on your face than you've had at most drift days. So yeah. So today is D-Day. We're actually going to get the LSZ on the dyno. As you can see by the wonderful Norfolk weather we have around us at the moment, it is a cracking day. Temperatures are good. It's nice and sunny, nice and warm. So yeah, on the way to Emerald right this second. And just being told by John there may be a little wait because the car that's currently on the dyno is taking a little bit longer. So we'll just set up, get the car off, have a little bit of coffee or something like that, and make sure we've got everything ready for John to work his magic. So, fingers crossed. So we're all strapped down on the dyno now. I'm super pumped. John has got everything ready to rock and roll. I think this is the point where I'm going to run away and pretend that I can't actually see what's going on, because I absolutely hate watching this stuff, but I cannot wait to see the results of what that fantastic Magnuson charger has got for us. So John, over to you. Okay, so yeah, it's getting a little bit later on here. We got a little bit delayed getting on the rollers as always with like someone else that was not working on there with a little escort, looking pretty cool. But yeah, pretty chuffed with what we got. You know, the power figures around the 600s. Big increase obviously over standard, maybe not as high as the values that we were hoping for, but at the same time we got a 210 Newton meter increase across the entire map, which is flat as a table, so it should be super drivable now and super crazy. The supercharger whine isn't quite there that we were all kind of hoping for, but I tell you what, this thing is going to be an absolute monster as it's steaming down the start line and flying around Teesside next week. So I really hope that we get to grips with it pretty soon when we're testing, and yeah, let's just see if we can burn up some more tyres even quicker now. Fantastic, so we are all loaded up on the trailer. It's been a cracking day. Massive thanks to John and all of his hard work. You know, little teething problems like the meth system leaking, a bit of wiring here and there, but we got around it. I think the final figures were 600 horsepower, 700 Newton meters. Cannot be happier with that. You know, obviously people are going to be pushing some of the bigger numbers, but we're going for reliability and drivability, and I think with this we've now got it. So bring on Teesside round 1, and also cannot wait to try that extra power out at Silverstone for Tracks and Japfest this year. So yeah, we're going to be howling down that straight and hopefully hooking fourth and smoking the place out. So looking forward to seeing you at those ones.